Junkyard find, 1981 Jeep Honcho pickup truck. It's a little rusty, little moss growing on there. Cool graphics on the door. A lot of rust. The fender's missing over here. Got the classic roll bars, light mounts, plow in the back. Interior's been pretty well gutted. It even has the floor delete option. Everything's gone except for the aftermarket radio. Sliding window in the back. This fender's also gone. Again, cool graphics on the doors, but very rotted out. Locking hubs in the front. V8. Not sure which V8 because they don't. There we go. Is the 360 V8 according to the sticker. So I got power brakes. I'm not sure if that's a 2-barrel or a 4-barrel under there. This thing's very rusty. Got vent holes in the hood. Kind of grungy underneath. Leaf springs all the way around. The trees growing through the tires with the detachable threads on them. Definitely a victim of the rust belt. Check out these fan spacer body mounts. Those are awesome. Those are awesome. There's a few good pieces left on this thing if anybody wants them.